guys, and welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today we're talking about the Pasco Quick Lock. And what this device does, this actually is a padlock for your outdoor hose faucets. You ever have any issues with neighbors using your water, your hose to wash their car or steal water from you? It's good for not wanting children to turn the water hose on and forget and leave it on running in the yard and running up that water bill. It's a really simple, easy tool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to screw one on here and show you how it works. Got your typical outdoor hose faucet you see on most homes, and we'll open this up. Comes with a padlock, the locking device, and 2 keys. What we'll do is we'll open this up here and you'll screw this on just like so. Goes all the way on fairly snug so you can line those holes up. Unlock the padlock, slide it through, twist, and lock. Now you've got a hose faucet that has a padlock on it. Take the key out, you got spare keys you can take in the house with you, and nobody's getting in there without a fight or some heavy duty tools. Really cool item here, very inexpensive item, well worth the money. If you guys have any questions about it, email me, info@plumbingpartspro.com, or even just comment below and I'll try to answer any questions for you. Get you some maybe better pictures or any other views of it you may like. Also give us a subscribe. Got a lot of other tools coming up that we're adding to the website, and I appreciate you guys checking us out. Give us a subscribe. Thanks a lot.